Maria Upa, the supervisor of Smart Meeting, Honorable Brother Hamdani, the chief of Smart Meeting, and unforgettable all my friends whom I love. First of all, let's thank to Allah, the Lord of the world, and the King of the King, the Master of the universe, who has given us mercies and blessings in the universe. Secondly, peace and salutation always be given to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has brought us from the darkness to the lightness. And then, I don't forget say thanks to Master Ceremony of the Valuable Church. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you today? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Let me introduce myself. My name is Laila Tumnawara. I'm from Excellent Class. On this occasion, I want to talk about a very important thing in our lives. The title of my speech: Learning from Mistakes. Life is not about being perfect, it's about growing. We never make mistakes, we never try. And if we don't learn from our mistakes, we'll keep falling in the same hole. It's like playing a game but never leveling up because you don't want to read the instructions. Friends, we all make mistakes, be it small or big. They are a part of life that we cannot avoid. But the most important thing is not the mistake itself, but how we react to it. Often, when we make mistakes, we feel embarrassed, scared, or even want to give up. However, mistakes are actually the best teacher and teach us many things. From mistakes, we learn what went wrong, and we know how to fix it so it doesn't happen again. Friends, learning from our mistakes also means we have to be brave enough to admit them. So don't be afraid to admit them because we can improve ourselves and become better. Don't be afraid of being wrong, so we don't dare to try new things. In addition, we must also learn from our mistakes. Mistakes are not the end of the world, but the beginning of change. Make mistakes as motivation to move forward and develop. Thank you all for your attention. May we always be given strength to learn from our mistakes and keep moving forward. The last I